Entrepreneurship is something that I am passionate about, and I'd love to share some ideas with you. How do you choose between the thing you are passionate about and the thing that you make money with? You ask yourself, what did I eat today? Make a list of the things you ate for breakfast, the snack you had, the lunch, your dinner you're going to have or had tonight, and then look at that list and see if passion is among that list. Most likely not. If you are in the situation where the thing you're passionate about is not the same thing that makes you money, then get so good at the thing that makes you money so that you can invest money and make the necessary available time available to you so you can spend more time on the thing that you are passionate about. The thing you are passionate about is more likely connected to your purpose than the thing that you are making money with. If you are in such a situation where the thing you are passionate about is also the thing that you make money with, great. Keep on going and keep on sharing your gift and your passion with the world. If you're looking for alternative ways of making money, then you might want to consider creating an online business. If you're interested in finding out more, leave a comment below. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care, be blessed. I'll catch you on the flip side.